Welcome back to my channel. ImrAyaan. ImrAyaan, and today we're breaking down the ultimate classic chess. Whether you never touch the board or just need a quick refresher, I'm gonna show you everything from setup to checkmate. Let's jump into it, guys. This is how we set up a chessboard. White square on your right. Pawns on the second row, they are 1 point each. And that's the weakest piece. Rooks on the corners, they are powerful, worth 5 points. That's the second best piece. Then the knights, they are worth 3 points. Just the other piece that worth 3 points even. The bishop, they are also worth 3 points. The queen on its own color, she's your strongest piece worth 9 points. That's the strongest piece, guys. Finally, the king, he is priceless because if you lose him, the game is over. The first move is always made by white. I like to move first because it lets me strike first and control. The rook can move in any number of squares, vertically or horizontally. Similarly, the bishop can move diagonally in all directions. The queen can move both like the rook and the bishop. A pawn can move only one step forward at a time. But on its first move, it has the option to move 2 steps as well, guys. If a pawn reaches the opposite end, it can promote to any of these pieces, guys. You generally capture a piece by moving to its square. But pawns can only capture pieces diagonally in front of them, which is different from how they move. The knight moves in L shape, and it's the only piece that can jump over other pieces. The king can move 1 square in any direction. If you're threatening the king, it's a check. And if the king cannot be saved, it's a checkmate, guys. And the game is over. Don't forget to subscribe to ImrAyaan. Thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe and like and share. And I'm going to teach you another chess strategy. If you subscribe only. Wow, bye guys.